Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we are creating this website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now in the previous video, I showed you how to create the single post page of your website, and this is how it looks. Now in this video, we'll create the 404 page of our website. So the 404 page is basically a page that is shown when the user enters any invalid link over here. So for example, if the user types testing.html over here, and here we can see that this is how our page looks right now. But when the user goes to a page that doesn't exist in our website, we need to show a better screen. So this is what we're going to design in this video. We're going to create this 404 page. We can see we have this image over here and we have some information. It has some details about the error, and here we have the actions that the user can take. And we also have the link to go to our home page. So this is also responsive. So if I decrease the width of the browser window, this is how it will look on smaller screens. So let's create this in this video. Let's get started. Now for the 404 page, let's create a new file called notfound.html, and let's copy all the code from this single post page. So let's select everything and copy and paste it over here for not found. And now let's go ahead and delete everything inside the page container. So we don't want to have this sidebar and also this content, but we want to have the header and the footer. So for that, let's go ahead and delete everything inside the post container division. So here we have this content, and in that we have all the text content, and here we have the aside, which is the sidebar. So let's delete both these divisions from here. And now we can see we have the container, so we can just type 404 page over here, and let's go to the 404 page. So let's type notfound.html, and this is how it looks. Now right now we are going to the notfound.html page to display the 404 page. But if you are using this design in a theme for WordPress or Blogger, they have specific ways of displaying 404 pages. So you can just go ahead and add the design to that section, and whenever the user enters any invalid URL, they'll be taken to that design. So right now let's go ahead and design this. So here in the container, let's go ahead and create two divisions, one for the left side, and let's create one for the right side. So I'll just give it a class of right. And let's also add a class called notfound over here so that we can style this container differently. Now on the left side, we need to have the image. So let's create an img tag, and let's type images / and we have this image called 404.svg. And on the right side, we need to have some text. So let's go ahead and create an h1 tag, and let's give it a class of text 404. Let's add a hyphen over here, and here in this h1, let's just type 404, and let's create a paragraph tag, and here let's add this text that we have in this page. So let's copy this and paste it over here, and then we need to have an unordered list. So let's copy this and let's create a heading for this. So just type h4 and let's paste it over here. And let's create an unordered list, and in that we'll have list items. And for the first list item, let's go ahead and copy this and paste it over here. And for the second list item, let's create an anchor tag, and we will type hash for now. And here you can add the link of your home page. So let's type visit our home page. So that's basically it with our HTML. So if you go back to our website, this is how it looks. Now let's go ahead and style this using CSS. So let's go to a style.css file. Let's scroll down, and let's create a new comment called 404 page. And the first thing we will do is we will target this division with the class of notfound and container. So let's type notfound.container, and here let's set the display to flex, align items to the center, and justify content to the center as well. Right now we need to have the same width for the left and the right divisions. So for that, let's go ahead and type notfound.container left and notfound.container right, and let's set the flex to 1. So this will set the same width to both these divisions. Right now let's go ahead and set the height for the image. So I'll just type notfound left image, and let's set the height to 300 pixels, and let's set the width to auto. And now we need to bring this image to the center. So for that, let's target the left division. Let's type notfound left, and let's set the display to flex, justify content to the center. And now the image is in the center. Now let's target this text 404 heading. So let's type text 404 and let's set the font size to 180 pixels. And let's set the font weight to 800. And let's set the line height to 100%. And this is how it looks. Now for the paragraph, let's go ahead and add a margin. So let's type not found P. And let's set the margin to 8 pixels top and bottom, 0 for left and right. Right now let's style this H4 inside the not found division. So let's type not found H4 and let's set the font size to 20 pixels. Right now let's style these list items. So let's type not found ULLI and let's type margin of 8 pixels top and bottom, 0 for left and right. And now for this link we need to add an underline and also change the color. So let's type not found A and let's set the text decoration to none and let's set the color of the text to var accent color. We need to change it to underline, not none. So now we have the underline for the link. Right now let's quickly make this responsive. So let's decrease the width of the browser window. And for smaller screens, we need to have a max width set for this right division. So let's tap at media and let's tap max width of 1000 pixels. And let's tap not found right. And let's add a max width of 500 pixels. And text align to the center. So this is how it will look on smaller screens. Let's also change the height of this image. So let's tap not found left img and let's set the height to 240 pixels. Let's also change the size of this text. So we have a heading with a class of text 404 and let's set the font size to 120 pixels. And now for the list items, we need to have a text align of left. So here let's type text align left and this is how it looks. So that's basically it with the mobile version of our 404 page and everything is working alright. We have everything working alright on desktop version as well. And for the mobile menu items, it is not displayed at the top. So let's fix that. Let's go back to the mobile menu items selector. And here we have the mobile menu item selector and here we have set the position to fixed. Let's also type top of 0 and now we can see that it looks alright. So with that we have designed our 404 page. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.